In this video, we will guide user on how to download the QuickPay or QuickTMS system from our website. Firstly, go to your main PC or server PC to download and install the program. Please make sure to disable or temporarily turn off your antivirus before proceed. Next, user may use any web browser and enter the web address www.hr2000.com.my. Then click on the product button at the top. Once you are at the product page, scroll down to look for either the QuickPay for Windows download button or QuickTMS for Windows download button. Once confirmed which system to download, click the download button to proceed. Once the download completed, user may go to the download folder and look for the downloader underscore hr2000.exe file and run the file. And from here, click the download button, then choose which system to download from the option. For example here, we'll choose QuickPay for download installation. Once completed, a pop-up will come up and request to open the file to install your selected system. Click the Yes button to proceed. System will start the installation setup, and user may check the current release date of the system. Click the Next button to proceed. Then key in the password required to install the system in your PC. User may refer to the password emailed to the system administrator or call HR2000 support for the installation password. Once key in the password, click the Next button to proceed. Double check the installation folder location, or just proceed by installing the system in your C drive. Click the Next button once confirmed. Once completed, click the Finish button to exit the installation setup. After the installation is completed, user may look for the QuickPay or QuickTMS shortcut, open the system and confirm the release date again before logging to the system. Download guide from HR2000 website is now completed.